AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al811h here in for repair. It's a newer one, 2023. So plate choke is wound way off, so I'm going to replace the plate choke. Parasitic suppressor board leads are way too rigid, so I have a new one here. I'll just swap it out. The load capacitor is not moving with the knob, so the set screws are loose. Fix that. There's the grid overload board that's coming out. So it's getting the 572s from Penta Labs. Awesome company, awesome customer service. Socket assembly's coming out. Ground the grids right to the metal. One grid connection per tube socket. I'll add the gas discharge tubes, one per side of the filament. Only need two because all four filaments are in parallel. I'll remove the gas discharge tube off the rear wall and also the metal oxide varistor, and I'll install new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Awesome people, great company over there, really nice people. So the stock ones always end up wearing out. They're just not good connectors, so you never ever want an open on any amplifier. Just really bad stuff can happen. So right, so I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so the grid connection, one per tube, has been connected right to the metal. Normally goes underneath the screw nut right here, and they were loose. Big no-no. Okay, so added the longer screw for the plate choke, press the socket clips, and added the two gas discharge tubes. Okay, I removed the old gas discharge tube from the board and the metal oxide varistor. Now I'm going to change the two SO239. So, see you guys soon. We're back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. Customer wanted a video of it working on 10 meters. It's going into a bird attenuator load. 1 kW slug, bird 43 with the PEP kit, factory PEP bird, genuine kit in it. Okay, so radio is set to, I don't know, 80 or so. 80. Audio. Kit. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Audio, hello, hello. 800, 800, 800, 800, 800. Okay. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Settings. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Tit, 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 tit. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, hello. I dropped the input SWR as low as I could get it. See it back there. Tit, 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 tit. Audio, hello, 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 hello. Audio, hello, hello, hello. Shh, 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 shh. And it works as it should. So I'll let the tubes cool off, and I'll pull the cover and show you everything I did. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the inside of the Al811h. Here's the old plate choke. Here are the old SO239s, the metal oxide varistor, the gas discharge tube, the old screws. The split washer kit came with a new one, so I used it. So we got the new plate choke, got the new parasitic board. Got rid of the grid overload circuit, re-zip tied everything, fixed solder joints, put new screws in the shaft coupler right there, put another screw in the other one so those will never loosen up ever again. Took the socket assembly out. I already showed what I did below there. Got the new SO239s, nice Teflon ones, tightened up on other hardware. So, she's all set. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. It's got a brand new set of Penta Lab tubes. Awesome company, awesome customer service. And again, the SO239s came from Max Gain Systems. Great people over there. So, I also did the 10 meter mod. So websites are AmpRepairGuy.com and also HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will be selling the 922 filter cap kit again within about a week or so. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. 73.